Okay, so 4x plus 3y divided by 12x plus 9y over 2x. So, ngayon po, division of rational expression tayo. So, pag division po kasi, lalo na kapag rational, sinusundan natin yung formula o yung rules, which is the keep, change, and flip. So, una natin is keep. Ano po yung i-keep? Of course, the 4x plus 3y, since ito yung nauna, so 4x plus 3y. Guys, tandaan nyo na kapag ganyan siya, always may 1 siya sa baba. Okay? Then, change. Ang i-change po natin is the operation. Saan natin siya? Ano yung papalit natin sa kanya? Multiplication. Okay? So, again, the operation sign na division, i-change natin into multiplication. Then, flip. Ano ang i-flip? Yung denominator itataas and then yung numerator ibababa. Okay? Pagpapalitan lang natin siya. So, magiging 2x nasa taas over 12x plus 9y. Then, kapag ganyan po, gamitin lang natin or gawin natin tong yung formula na to. Yung a over b divided by c over d is equals to ac over bd. So, magiging 4x plus 3y multiply by 2x over 1 times 12x plus 9y. Okay? Nasusundan po ha? Next. Okay, so 4x plus 3y times 2 over 1 times 12x plus 9y. So, magiging 4x plus 3y times 2 over, since 1 lang to, magiging automatic 12x plus 9y. Ngayon po, factor out. Copy si 4x plus 3y times 2 over, factor out natin si 12x plus 9y. So, 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. So, magiging, labas natin si 3. Then, parenthesis, 4x plus 3. Kuha po. Bakit? Kasi when you do FOIL method, 3 times 4x, 12x, 3 times 3y, 9y. Okay? So, ganun lang po mag-factoring. Ngayon, kapag ganyan, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out. Kasi may kamukha na tayo. So, numerator, 4x plus 3y. And then, yung kanyang ika-cancel out is 4x plus 3y. So, cancel out lang natin yung mga magkakamukha. Then, ano po ang natira? So, si 2 over 3. Yun na po ang sagot. So, ganun lang mag-factor o ganun lang po mag-solve ng division of rational expression. So,